One of the helpful features of Seasonax is the ability to compare different stocks. Now, in the run-up to the Jackson Hole Symposium at the start of the week, stocks have been pressured, you can see here in the monthly chart, on expectations that Jerome Powell will deliver a more hawkish message. Now, if Powell does not do that and delivers a bearish message, then typically you can watch out for dollar selling, 10-year yields falling, spike higher in gold, and some stock buying. Now, this is where Seasonax's instrument compare feature can come in very, very handy. Now, let's just take a look at that feature. You can see here, say we're looking at Apple stocks. Say we'd like to compare Apple stocks with another big tech name. Let's look at Microsoft. And we can see here, Microsoft, we can compare the seasonality of the chart with Apple. And let's say also, say Jerome Powell took a more dovish take and we're thinking to ourselves, well, let's have a look. What about a commodity like silver or gold? How does that compare to a tech stock like Apple? And we can have a look here, just put silver and see, okay, it's got a very similar seasonal pattern, funnily enough, to Apple. In this way, we can compare the seasonality of different instruments to try to fine-tune any particular instrument that we might like to trade off a unexpected central bank decision, Fed policy forward guidance, or some other monetary policy feature that we would like to see how it impacts different instruments. The major trade risk to this outlook is if Jerome Powell does signal a more hawkish approach, then that would likely keep stocks pressured. You can analyse these charts for yourself by going to Seasonax.com and get a no strings attached 3-day free trial. Which currency pair, commodity index or stock would you most like to investigate for a seasonal pattern? Remember, don't just trade it, Seasonax it.